And as Wisconsin starts to reopen, some people are concerned the coronavirus might continue to spread. Dr. Jeff Potoff from UW Health in Madison is here to talk about what we can do if we're planning to celebrate the 4th of July this weekend. Dr. Potoff, we appreciate you being with us this afternoon. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
But can I ask you this? Do you believe that we will see a spike in cases because of the holiday this weekend?
You know, it's certainly a concern that we have. The 4th of July really can't look like previous 4th of Julys where we get together in large groups, picnics and things like that. These things can be done, but they really need to be done with incredible attention to social distancing and to wearing a mask when we feel like we might be in a social situation where we will be closer than 6 feet to someone else.
Very good information. Do you have any idea on what would be the best way for a family or people to celebrate the 4th of July in a safe manner that doesn't jeopardize their health?
Yeah, I think, gatherings could occur. I'd keep them smaller. Don't have very large gatherings. Family units can stay together, but other family units that join that gathering, they should be spread apart. As far as reasonably practical, 6 feet is a good guide, but oftentimes, outdoors, we can hear each other when we're 10 feet away. As far as food and drink, this year, instead of that community potluck or the big barbecue, each family should bring their own food and beverage so that we don't have people getting close together in line getting food. So I think there's ways to enjoy the holiday this year, but we just have to do it a little bit differently than what we've seen in past years.
Yeah, we have to be smart. And, the big controversy right now this week as we speak or today, masks. Can you talk about the benefits of people wearing masks and why is this a good thing, doctor?
Yeah, so really the jury has rendered their verdict on masks, and there's really no reason why any of us, when out in public, shouldn't be wearing masks. We know definitively that people who are going to get sick from COVID-19 are going to have symptoms, are going to have ability to spread it 3 to 4 days before they get symptoms. Those people being masked can be a big benefit to us in the community. But we also know that people who don't have the disease, the mask at least gives them a fighting chance to not get the virus if they're around someone who has chosen not to mask and those droplets are spreading from that person. So really, everyone should be wearing a mask when out in public, when they could be closer to other people.
Okay, it makes a lot of sense. Now, Dr. Potoff, what are some of your other concerns as we continue to have to deal with this pandemic? It's a worldwide problem, and I know health professionals like you have a different take. Can you tell us what are your immediate concerns right now?
Yeah, right now we're really worried about what's going on both in the United States, but also in Wisconsin. We are seeing a huge resurgence of COVID-19. And I think, early on, a lot of us had resolve. We had the ability to do the things that public health said we needed to do to keep safe. And that's deteriorated over time. And right now we're at the critical juncture where over the next couple days to a week, we'll need to see if we can buckle down and flatten the curve again. Otherwise, this could get a little bit out of control for us. And that doesn't end well for anyone.
Yeah, don't let our guard down. Dr. Jeff Potoff, UW Health Systems, we really appreciate you being with us this afternoon. Thank you, and have
Thanks
a happy holiday.
You too. Be safe.